We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Example is struct book info character bname, which stands for book name, having 20 characters, integer pages, integer price. B1 is object name and 100. It means it will store bname, pages and price for 100 books. Okay, I have created b1 object which will be used 100 times. Okay, so for as we use for every array for loop, we will be using same for loops for this as well. Here book info structure is used to store the information of one book. If I have to store it for multiple books, then I will be using 100. In case which we need to store the information of 100 books, then array of structure is used. B1 0 stores for the first book, B1 stores for the second book, and so on for 100 books 0 to 99. Now there is union. Now let me be clear here. Structure and union are very similar, very similar. If we are writing a program for union, there is a single difference, which is only the keyword. In structure we will be using struct keyword, in union we will be using union keyword. There is no difference while writing the program. The only main difference is memory is used between structures and union. Okay, so now a union is a special data type available in C that allows storing different data types in the same memory location. Even you can see the definition is same as structures. You can define a union with many members, but only one member can contain a value at any given time. Okay, here's the difference. You can only use one member here. Unions provide an efficient way of using memory, same locations for multiple purposes. Okay, union takes the memory of largest member only, so occupies less memory than structures. What structure will do is add all the memory used by the members and allocate it to structure. In union, it will figure out the largest memory location used by a member and allocate it. Okay, here the example is union car. Car is union name, character name 50, integer price. In void main we have used union car, car1, car2 and pointer car3. Here car1, car2 and car3 are objects. Car1 dot price is equals to 2 lakhs. Okay, here we have declare a data here. Now we can see the difference. Structure and union, the keyword is different. First, in structure we use struct keyword, in union we use union keyword. Now here about the size, structure will add all the variables size according to the data type. If I am using 2 integers, which data type size is 2 bytes, it means it will allocate 4 bytes to structure. Okay, in same case of union, if I am writing 2 integers, integer 1 and integer 2, hence it will only allocate 2 bytes. Okay, and it will use only one variable name at a time, and in structures we can use multiple variables at a time. Here we can see in memory each member with a structure is assigned unique storage, and in union memory allocation is shared by individual members of unions. Now we can alter the value in structures and it will not affect any other values in it, but in union if I change any value or any member in union, it will affect other variables. Now accessing members, individual members can be accessed. In union only one member can be accessed at a time, as there is shortage of memory space in structure. We have spaces for individual variables. Now several members of structure can initialize at once. Only in union only the first member of union can be initialized.